Lourdes, France is a destination where history, faith, and natural beauty come together in unforgettable ways. The Château Fort of Lourdes stands proudly on a rocky hilltop, offering a journey through medieval architecture and the Pyrenees Museum, where traditional artifacts and mountain life are brought vividly to life. Just a short distance away, Lourdes Lake showcases the town's serene side with rolling hills, crystal clear waters, and peaceful walking paths perfect for reflection or photography. For panoramic views, the Pic du Gers cable car ride ascends over 900 meters, unveiling sweeping vistas of Lourdes, the Gave Depot River, and the Pyrenees with scenic trails and a summit cafe to soak it all in. Pilgrims and visitors alike find meaning walking the stations of the cross on the hill of Spelugas, connecting deeply with faith amidst bronze statues and tranquil surroundings. At the heart of it all lays the sanctuary of Our Lady of Lourdes, with its Grotto Massabielle, grand basilicas, and sacred springs, a spiritual journey that continues to inspire millions each year. Let's get started. Number 5. Château Fort of Lourdes. Standing proudly on a rocky hilltop overlooking the town, Château Fort of Lourdes is a symbol of strength and history that was watched over the Pyrenees for centuries. This medieval fortress dates back more than 1,000 years and offers visitors a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich past. Once a strategic military stronghold, the castle now houses the Pyrenees Museum, showcasing traditional artifacts, costumes, and models that tell the story of mountain life in the region. Walking through its stone corridors and towers feels like stepping back in time. The climb to the top is rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Lourdes, the Gave River, and the surrounding peaks. Exploring the Château Fort is more than just a historical visit. It's a journey through architecture, culture, and the heart of southern France. Whether you're drawn by the views, the history, or the atmosphere, this fortress is one of Lourdes' must-see landmarks. Number 4. Discovering the calm side of Lourdes. Stunning lake views. Lourdes isn't just a destination of faith, it's also a place of peace and natural beauty, and Lourdes Lake perfectly captures the serene side. Located just a short distance from the sanctuary, this peaceful lake is surrounded by rolling green hills and the majestic Pyrenees Mountains. The air feels fresher here, the pace slower, and the sounds of nature replace the bustle of the pilgrimage sites. A walk or a bike ride around the lake reveals stunning reflections of the sky and mountains of the water surface, changing hues with every hour of the day. Locals and visitors alike come to enjoy picnics by the shore, rent small boats, or simply sit and take in the calm atmosphere. It's a perfect place for quiet reflection, photography, or simply to unwind in nature's embrace. Lourdes Lake is more than a scenic stop. It's a reminder how peace and beauty coexist just beyond the heart of this historic town. Number 3. Pic du Gers cable car ride. Best panoramic views of Lourdes. The Pic du Gers cable car ride offers one of the most breathtaking experiences in Lourdes. Ascending to an altitude of over 900 meters, the journey begins with a charming funicular ride that's been operating since 1900. As the cable car climbs the mountainside, sweeping views of Lourdes, the Gave Depot River, and the surrounding Pyrenees unfold beneath you. The higher you go, the more incredible the panorama becomes, a perfect blend of nature, history, and tranquility. At the summit, visitors can explore scenic walking trails leading to a large cross overlooking the valley, a perfect spot for reflection or photography. On clear days, you can even spot snow-capped peaks in the distance. There's also a cafe where you can relax and enjoy the fresh mountain air. Whether you're seeking peaceful scenery, a bit of adventure, or a moment to take in the beauty of Lourdes from above, Pic du Gers offers an unforgettable view of the region. Number 2. Walking the Stations of the Cross in Lourdes, a journey of faith and reflection. Walking the Stations of the Cross in Lourdes is a deeply moving experience that combines faith, art, and reflection in one of the most sacred pilgrimage destinations in the world. Set on the hill of Spelungus, this spiritual path features 14 beautifully crafted bronze statues depicting the Passion of Christ from his condemnation to his burial. As you ascend the winding trail, each station invites you to pause, pray, and reflect on Christ's suffering and sacrifice. The peaceful surroundings, with views overlooking the sanctuary of Lady of Lourdes and the Pyrenees mountains, enhance the sense of reverence and introspection. Pilgrims from around the globe walk this route in silence or prayer, connecting deeply with their faith and finding personal meaning in every step. Whether you come for devotion, contemplation, or simple curiosity, the Stations of the Cross in Lourdes offer a powerful reminder of compassion, hope, and the enduring strength of spiritual belief. Number 1. A spiritual walk through the sanctuary of Our Lady of Lourdes. Nestled in the foothills of the Pyrenees in southern France, the sanctuary of Our Lady of Lourdes is one of the most sacred pilgrimage sites in the world. Every year, millions visit this holy place seeking peace, healing, and spiritual renewal. The sanctuary's centerpiece is the Grotto of Massabielle, where a young girl named Bernadette Soubirous reported visions of the Virgin Mary in 1859. Walking through the grounds, you will find grand basilicas, serene chapels, and candlelit prayer areas filled with a sense of reverence. Pilgrims often light candles, take part in processions, or collect holy water from the spring that has become a symbol of faith and miracles. The calm River Gove flows nearby, adding to the sanctuary's peaceful beauty. Whether you come for reflection, healing, or simply to witness the extraordinary place, the sanctuary of Our Lady of Lourdes offers an unforgettable spiritual journey that continues to inspire people from all over the world.